1.
Hello, I'm Warren Prosser with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. Corn prices have been more than $7 per bushel for the most of the current crop marketing year, and analysts assume pork and poultry production cuts would soon follow. The latest quarterly USDA Hogs and Pigs report followed the trend of the previous two reports. It showed higher feed costs have done little to slow hog and pork production intentions in 2013. Each key market and breeding hog indicator for the current and upcoming inventories showed steady to higher production is likely over the next few months. The March 1, 2013 all hogs and pigs inventory was 1.5% higher at 65.9 million head. The December to February pig crop was reported at 29 million head, up 1.6%. And pigs saved per litter improved 1.1%, exceeding 10 pigs per litter for the fourth consecutive quarter. Farrowing intentions for the next 6 months remain lower. Survey responses suggest producers will reproduce the number of sows farrowing by 1% through August. However, these declines have been generally offset by the higher number of pigs saved per litter and a mostly steady number of litters per sow over the last 3 years. Beef markets have struggled to sustain a price increase in 2013 for a variety of reasons. One of those has been the higher priced beef relative to pork. Last week, beef prices were more than 2.5 times the value of pork at the wholesale level. This is near the top end of a historical price range for this ratio and will likely limit prices of beef without additional support from pork. Steady to stronger supplies of pork over the next 3 months suggests that the pork market will continue to be a limiting factor for beef and cattle markets. Additional domestic and international demand will be needed to lift prices. The Fed cattle market was $2 to $3 higher on a live basis and $5 stronger in the dress market this week. Volumes were stronger in late trade this week. Live trade occurred at 127 to 129, while dress sales reached 203 to 204 in the beef. Feeder cattle prices were steady to 2 higher, while calves added 1 to 2. Lighter weight cattle continue to find more support where snow and rain has fallen recently. Slaughter cows were mostly steady. Box beef values declined for the week as cold weather continued to slow beef demand. Sales volumes increased late week, indicating that prices may be finding some support. Corn prices moved lower late in the week after the USDA stocks report showed more corn on hand than expected. Also, the prospective planting report suggested that the largest planted corn acres this spring since 1936. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than equipped with the industry's most powerful database, our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor. 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information.